In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a buy or sell order on the Binance mobile trading app. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, managing your trades efficiently on the go is essential, and with the Binance app, it's both convenient and straightforward. Let's dive in and get you on your way to making those trades with confidence. First, you'll need to open the Binance app on your mobile device. Once opened, direct your attention to the Trade button. This is your starting point for all trading activities. It's typically located in the middle at the bottom of your screen for easy access. Once tapped, you'll have a range of trading options at your fingertips. Now, you need to choose the trading pair you wish to work with. For instance, if you're interested in trading Bitcoin against USD Tether, you'd select BTC USDT from the list. This pair essentially represents the two currencies you want to trade, with BTC being the base currency and USDT the quote currency. The trading pairs listed are varied, so make sure you choose the one that aligns with your trading strategy. Once you've chosen your desired trading pair, it's time to make a decision. Do you want to buy or sell? Tap on the option that best suits your trading intent. By selecting buy, you're planning to invest in the base currency. Conversely, choosing sell indicates you intend to offload your holdings in exchange for the quote currency. Now, on to selecting the order type. This is critical as it dictates how your trade is executed. You have three main options here: limit, market, and stop limit. A limit order allows you to set the price at which you're willing to buy or sell, while a market order executes immediately at the current market price. The stop limit order, a little more complex, combines the features of both, allowing you to preset conditions that trigger a limit order if a certain price is reached. If you've opted for a limit or stop order, you'll need to carefully enter both the amount you wish to trade and the price at which you want the order to be executed. This step is all about precision. Make sure these figures reflect your trading plan and risk tolerance. With all your parameters set, the final step is simple. Tap on buy or sell again to confirm your order. This action initiates the trade based on your previously selected settings. Once you hit this button, your order is placed into the Binance system. To keep track of your orders, Binance conveniently offers an Open Orders tab. This is where you can view all your pending orders, giving you the ability to manage or cancel them if necessary. Regularly checking this tab is a good habit, particularly in volatile markets. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to efficiently add buy or sell orders on the Binance mobile trading app, empowering you to trade confidently while on the move.